Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how you can create an account on Stockx. So this is going to be very simple and easy. All you need to do is to go ahead and open stockx.com, then go to the top right corner of this screen or the web page and then click on sign up. It's very simple and easy as you can see. Once you click on it, they will be redirecting you to this page. So it's very simple. All that is left for you to do is to choose your creation of accounts way. So there's two ways. There is either the normal way, which is by filling all of these like basically informations from first name, last name, email address and password, and then click on I have read and agreed to the terms and condition and privacy policy, then click on sign up. The second method is simply by skipping all of that and selecting one of these social media icons. So for me, I'm gonna go with the second method, which is easier, faster, and much more convenience. So click on Google for myself. I'm gonna click on Gmail, and then they will redirect me to my account. I'm gonna choose one of my accounts, then click on continue. And as you can see here, the account creation has been created. So now I should go through a couple of more affirmations. So I'm gonna say here, for example, this. I'm gonna just put in random information that comes to mind. And as you can see, here we go. So my account has been created successfully. Now, as I have this page opened, I can go ahead and click on this icon on the top right corner. And basically, once you click on it, you will have all the information related to your account. As you can see, you will be finding like buying, selling, portfolio, your wallet, settings, profile, and the last option basically is log out. This is like your username. You can adjust it. This is your email. This is basically all the information related to your account. And yeah, this is how you can create a Stockx account. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next upcoming video.